We want to look at chest pain today, either on the right side or at the left hand side or at the middle of both younger and older women. And we want to look at the causes of the chest pain and the solution. And I've seen a lot of reports, a lot of messages on chest pain. Somebody have chest pain, elderly people, younger people having chest pain as women, especially for women. And if you belong to the category of both, if you are young or old, but you usually experience chest pain around your chest area, probably on the right hand side or at the left hand side, it's usually the common on the left hand side or at the middle, then you seek solution to this. I think you're on the right video, because we were looking at the cause of the chest pain and the solution. And what are the causes of chest pain in young or older women and the solution to this pain? I'm creating this video just to get you informed, just to educate, so that we can actually educate ourselves on different causes of chest pain and how you can also actually reduce or get rid of it. This is more like home remedies to chest pain and others. So just like I said, a friend of mine is a lady, has chest pain, and she told me like she has been chest pain. I said, you go need to see your doctor, and from there she has seen her doctor and she has been buying drugs and all those things. But we are going to look at all the solution and home treatments to some of these things. And the major results, I did a research on chest pain, and I got a different experience from doctors and possible cause of chest pain and its solution, because the rate at which young ladies and older women have chest pain, coupled with the fact that they also have some chest pain therapies and all those things. But before we continue, what is chest pain? These are pains or discomfort experienced around the chest area, the chest region, either in men or women, male or female. Chest pain is usually common for men, but now it is getting common among women also. And if you look at women, probably based on the nature of their work, people carrying objects and all those things. So we are looking at the causes of chest pain and the solution. And chest pain is in women or in younger ladies or older women is not treated as a major offense, because they lead to more severe illness like heart attack, heart failure, cardiovascular diseases, and all those things. So the experience you get as a woman, if you are experiencing chest pain, then you need to consult your doctor. You need to get chest pain treatment as much as possible. But there are some home remedies, there are some home treatment, and some preventions, if only we know the cure. So we are going to look at the cure, the causes, the cure, and the solution to some of these things. And so what are the five main causes and solution of chest pain in either younger people or older women? The first one, which I would like you to know that the first one is stress. And one of the things that causes chest pain in both younger or older women is the fact that many people expose themselves to stress. So women prefer to even work more than what their energy can take, their strength can manage, to even the extent of working throughout the night, working at night, resuming work the next morning, and working like men. So some people do overnight work. They work on their system, they work on their work, and with skipping sleep and all those things, later resulting to stress. So if you have this, then this habit may pose risk of you having chest pain on your health, and you also need to. So when the accumulation of stress and exposing your body to overworking, that's working too hard, then you are going to experience chest pain, which may lead to other heart-related diseases and others. So, and what's the solution to this? The solution is to ensure you consult your doctor. You contact your doctor as early as possible, as soon as possible, so that he can give you drugs, he can give you therapy, and he can give you instruction. You carry a test, and which is so that can at least reduce pain. So, but you also need to find time to rest. It is all sort of hard work you might be engaged in. Don't really work too much at night. Find time to sleep and others. Then the other thing that causes chest pain, which I've known for most women, either they are young or older, is lifting of heavy objects. Like I said earlier, they said ladies and women that complain to me about their heart pain or chest pain, and many of them, if you look at the nature of their work, they deal with lifting of too much of heavy objects. I think for men, stress and all those things may even cause hernia, but for women, it causes chest pain because, like, if someone that sells and you want to meet up the demand, you want to, as a marketer, women do different types of work. So, and the solution and advice I'm going to give this home remedy to reducing the chest pain is that you need all these women that are experiencing chest pain, either on the left hand side or at the middle, they need to give up on carrying heavy loads. You should find alternative help in carrying the heavy load. So if you are carrying too much or you are lifting too much heavy load, which is one of the major causes of your earthquake or your chest pain inside your heart, then you need to just find solution to it quickly and find. And if the job is terrifying, if the job is It's like you must leave this. Then you find alternatives. So many men or guys that can actually do that. Then I've noticed that some people, when they back babies, this is also common in countries like Africa, Nigeria, Ghana, South Africa, Kenya, Togo, and many parts of Africa, where they carry the baby on their back. So too much of backing babies on your back can actually use your chest because you're carrying heavy, and especially when the baby is big. So chest pain may occur even when the baby has a huge weight and you're still backing the baby. So, and what's the solution to this? Most African nursing mothers, housewives, usually experience chest pain because of the back their babies a lot. Although the baby feel comfortable on the back. So babies backing baby without use of carriers or special carriage put pressure on their heart and discomfort. So, and the possible solution to this is you need to allow a baby's play. You need to hire a babysitter, a nanny, or get them some toys, or get a baby carrier so they can actually reduce the rate at which you put load onto your back, which might result to chest pain. And also, when you talk about chest pain, you need to see your doctor because it might actually be as a result of heart diseases. Because this is noticeable in one of the reasons, of course, because one of the symptoms of heart disease is like chest pain, heart pain, which is gotten from chest pain. So if you notice some pain in your heart, which I never experienced before, or if you are not, or maybe like due to heart disease, and so all these things. And the solution to this is you need to get your doctor informed as quickly as possible. It means that if you need to see your doctor because anything related to the heart, you need immediate attention of your medical expert in that field. You need a cardiologist, you need your doctor to actually examine you, test you, and give you the best advice, the best drugs, the best therapy, or the best treatment for that. So it might probably be a symptoms or a sign of heart disease, so you need to do that. And I also seen pneumonia also, chest pain in either younger or older people, either on the left-hand side or the right-hand side or at the middle, may be due to other common symptoms like pneumonia, which is contracted when the chest is exposed to much of cold or cold drinks, cold weather, and others. Because pneumonia is just like a bacterial infection, and is the bacterial infection that deals with cold. So if you have pneumonia, you might actually be having chest pain. And how do you do this? You also need to contact your doctor so that your doctor can recommend some antibiotic drugs for you or therapy, so that pneumonia can be. Then also we look at chest pain of causes of chest pain includes maybe like too much of taking very cold things, cold drinks, and all that. So if you are used to taking cold drinks, if you are addicted to taking cold drinks, cold food, all these things that are too much of cold, you need to also reduce that because that is actually a kind of symptoms like when you take too much of cold things can actually cause it. So what's the solution? You need to go slow. You need to go low on cold drinks, maybe like chewing of ice blocks, ice drinks, very cold drinks, because it can actually cause chest pain and all those things. So in conclusion, wrapping up what I've been saying since we said from the last one, we said you need to prevent yourself from taking too much of cold drinks. And if you have pneumonia, get tested. You need to see the doctor. Let the doctor certify that you have pneumonia so they can actually give you the best treatment. Or go to the hospital so that you can actually do that. They also need to, for African ladies, you need to reduce your packing of babies, and you also need to reduce your stress. And majorly, you need to reduce lifting of heavy objects that can cause chest pain. And also the heart disease. Also, chest pain can also be a sign of heart disease. That's why you need to consult your doctor as quickly as possible so your doctor can actually give you, you can get tested or get diagnosed for heart disease and all that. So I think so you just take care of yourself. This is the new year. Welcome into the new year. So we want you to use a new year in good health. So all those things, let your doctor know about it. Go to the hospital, consult and let your doctor know that you're having chest pain. And if the chest pain is recurrent, then you also need to just let your doctor know about it. So your doctor can actually recommend therapy, drugs, solutions, and all those things for you. So like our post so that you can actually like our post, then subscribe to us so you can actually get more posts on maybe like health related issues when it comes to weight loss, when it comes to personal health, when it comes to diseases and co. So see you in our next post, which we are going to talk about more, maybe like more of heart disease and chest related problem. See you in our next post. Thank you very much.